'Cause I love you till my last breath. You're gone, but something in the heavens tells me that we'll be together again. I'll see you around the bend. You're gone, but something in the heavens tells me that we'll be together again.
All right, Lewis Capaldi. The man's back. It's nice to see him back. Feel like kind of missed him. Did. He's a funny guy, great singer, good songwriter. So it's nice for him to be back. Anyway, this is a big song. It's like a bit of a mosh kind of one, you know? Hits the feels. So let's start off. We're just gonna go right hand, all right? This is gonna be like our main basis for pretty much the whole song. So we've got like it's outlining like an F sharp major, which is these. So I'd probably do like a 1, 3, 5 for the fingers. Kind of starts off with this. That's pretty much it for the whole song. You can, in a way, you can do that. You can change it, but I'll show you. So our left hand, going to start with an E flat down here. Then we go to a B. And then an F sharp. This is our verse. So we got the... It's just nice and slow. Slow it down. Was the eyes of emerald and gold, harder than gold. Sorry, that's not the right lyrics. Eyes of emerald and white, more precious than gold. That's what's going on there. Hands are softer the sand, harder to hold. That kind of thing. We got that. So that's going to be our verse. And then when we get to, I'd say like the pre-chorus, we're just going to add bass in the octaves just to fill it out, just to give it a little bit of movement and stuff. So instead of that, we're just gonna add some left-hand octaves. So same thing, but so we're gonna do that. Just fills it out a little bit. So that's gonna sound like this.
Till the day I die.
Yeah, that's the pre-chorus. Cool. And then yeah, we got you're the one I choose. Cool. So we got that. You got those things. Great. And then just before we get to the chorus, we're gonna hit this C sharp. So we got can keep going with that too. Same thing in the right hand. And then chorus, we got a F sharp. So I'm just gonna I'll outline the bass, the left hand first. So we got F sharp, C sharp, E flat. I'm not doing this technically right, but you get it. E flat, back down to C sharp, down to B. So with that together, you can still do the same thing as well. So I'll show you two different versions. One where you're just doing the same thing, and one if you want to play the actual chords in a way. I think it kind of does both in the recording, so I'm going to show you like two different ways. So probably maybe an easier way could be this. So we got that kind of thing. So if you do it the other way, we can just do the chords. So we could go F sharp major. So it's still going to be like 4 chords. And then we'll change to a C sharp major. We're going to go like this. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I reckon we do that. That's our F sharp major, C sharp major. So we've got C sharp, F, G sharp, C sharp, and then we have a E flat minor. You could do that on top as well, but maybe we'll do this. So E flat, F sharp, B flat, and then we can go down to the B. We can keep that same right chord there. Got this nice B major 7 there. So I'm giving you 2 options. You can choose what you'd like there. So yeah, anyway. And then as it goes, just for the second verse, then you got this. Then you're back again. Sorry. Nope, wrong again. But if you want to do what it does in the recording, that's this little. That's if you want to play along to it. If you want to try and do exactly the same, then it goes like this. But it's a little tricky. You could still do it maybe where you are down here instead of going up the octave there. So you could go. But if you're feeling tricky, you could go. Till the day I die. That's about it in a way. You got those like few different sections there. So just like play along, have a cry. Yeah. And play music. Do it.